Lesson 134.
Casa.
Antonio, there's a Spanish saying that I hear sometimes where people say, mi casa es su casa.
That's right, Bill. A very common phrase.
Well, what does it mean?
It means my house is your house.
Oh, my house is your house.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Well, maybe that will help our listeners remember the word casa.
Mm-hmm.
Let's take a look at our exercises. In number 1, mis niños están says, my children are. En la casa means in the house, and ahora means now. So, my children are in the house now. In number 2, mi gato no está means my cat is not. En la casa means in the house. So, my cat is not in the house. In number 3, los gatos están says the cats are. En la casa means in the house. So, the cats are in the house. In number 4, el gato está says the cat is. En la mesa will say on the table. E means and then we have a verb, quiere, that's third person singular, and the subject of this verb is the cat. So we'll translate quiere as he wants, and mi comida means my food. So number 4 will say, the cat is on the table, and he wants my food. In number 5, yo cargo mis libros means I carry my books. A menudo means often. Porque means because. Quiero means I want. And leer means to read. That's an infinitive. So number 5 will say, I carry my books often because I want to read. In number 6, mi mamá tiene hambre means my mom is hungry. E means and then we have a verb, quiere. The subject of this verb is my mom, so we'll translate quiere as she wants. Cenar is an infinitive that means to have dinner, and ahora mismo is an idiom that means right now. So number 6 will say, my mom is hungry, and she wants to have dinner right now. In number 7, los muchachos van says, the young men go. Al restaurante says, to the restaurant. A comer is a way to express purpose. That means for the purpose of eating or to eat. Todas las noches means every night. So number 7 will say, the young men go to the restaurant to eat every night. In number 8, nosotros estamos means we are. En la playa means at the beach. So number 8 says, we are at the beach. Sometimes in English, though, we'll say things like, we are on the beach. So I suppose that this could also say, we are on the beach, depending on the context. In number 9, mi padre quiere says, my father wants. Leer is an infinitive that means to read. El periódico means the newspaper. Pero means but. El periódico no está says, the newspaper is not. And en el escritorio says, on the desk. So number 9 will say, my father wants to read the newspaper, but the newspaper is not on the desk. In number 10, we have a question. ¿Quieres tú cenar? Will say, do you want to have dinner? En un restaurante says, in a restaurant. So number 10 will say, do you want to have dinner in a restaurant?